Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So today I'm going to talk about what would you do right now if you want to start a cleaning business and you have absolutely no money. You're broke. You're absolutely broke. Well, what would I do if I had to start a cleaning business right now and I had absolutely no money? I would look at doing a side hustle. So let's say if I need the money for my day job to pay my bills. Absolutely right now would probably be one of the best times because a lot of people are getting unemployment and there are so many help wanted signs out there. I would do some type of side hustle, whether it be Uber or Lyft or some kind of, doing something as a wait staff, whatever feels comfortable for you and safe for you. So I'm not advocating to do something that's going to put you in harm's way. Whatever feels safe and comfortable for you is what I would make sure that I did so that I had the money I could put aside to start my cleaning business. To get started, make sure you look at the next following video and I'll get into in that video what you need a roundabout to get started in today, which is 2021, to get started in your cleaning business. If you want to learn more about the 3 pillars that I talk about all the time, which is number 1, how to attract your customers, number 2, how to acquire them, and number 3, how to make sure you retain them, then click the link below to register for my free masterclass where I give you what you need to do to get 10 times more cleaning customers within 30 days. So if that sounds enticing, which I'm hoping it does, click the link below. I'll look forward to seeing you there. Bring pen and paper so you can implement it right away. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.